about it? It's I want to say it's May 2nd. Finished up in Georgia, and now I'm heading back up to Missouri where I left all those turkeys. I got a tag right here, and gonna see if we can wrap it around one's leg. That's the plan. Ain't in no hurry to rush to check off this and that. I just like same old me. Ain't really nothing changed. I just enjoy turkey hunting, so I'm gonna go where I heard turkeys. And if I can wrap that up, we'll see where we go from there. Maybe Wyoming, maybe Montana, maybe South Dakota. Probably end up in Wisconsin at some point. But not in much of a hurry. Just gonna do some turkey hunting. So y'all come join me. Yeah.
So, and I just like the way it lays out.
Yeah, it's
so you got.
It's bumper to bumper.
Gotta love it. How much further, or how many hours are you from your final destination from there?
11, a little over 11 hours, 44 minutes.
11 hours and 44 minutes.
I'll be rolling up at 4 a.m. probably.
Uh-huh.
I'm just gonna drive it straight on.
Yeah.
Time to skedaddle. Good thing is nobody's been driving down here, parking right here, because the roads are muddy. Nobody wants to walk. I will gladly walk. Alright, let's roll. Well, I can confidently say it's pretty amazing that I didn't hit a deer. So that's always a plus. We're starting the morning right. I can hear a turkey on private over there, gobbling really good. But there's more back here in the back. That's where I'm headed. See the movement up there somewhere. Several turkeys gobbling, just not in the direction I need them. Should be some more back here. Got to be one back here. I know that. If I can hunt this turkey down here. Know how close I can get to him. Maybe close enough, we'll see. If they're in the right mood. Sounds like he's at Country Mile now. It's 6:30. This turkey's gonna have to come a good piece off of private to come to me. There's one turkey gobbling on public. I probably should have went to him, but I'm kind of committed to this setup right now. Give it 30 minutes. Nothing happens here, I'm gonna pick up and go to the other turkey. It's closest to the truck. That's the one I should have went to. Jerker was 400 yards from the truck. All right, it's 6:49. Today is a don't be patient and sit in one spot type of day. It's a go to the turkey, get tight to the turkey, work the turkey up type of day. I ain't gonna sit here. That turkey's not getting any closer. Several birds gobbling back towards the truck. That's where I'm headed. 6:49. All right, there were several turkeys gobbling. As stated, I should have been more aggressive, and I wasn't. And there's only one turkey gobbling now. He's daggum another zip code over there. So I'm gonna have to see if I can go find another turkey. The turkey that's gobbling. The turkey that's gobbling. There's another truck that just pulled in where I was trying to go in on the turkey, but I just saw on the map on Onyx there's another little chunk of public that's a lot closer to this turkey, and that's where I'm gonna head. I gotta get there first. Time's about right in where that turkey's heading. Turkey's right in there. 400. Trying to figure out, am I gonna be seen or not? I'm just gonna have to risk it. Because if I don't get there, I ain't killing him, so gonna have to risk it. Well, I took a chance and I got burned. Just had to take a gamble that he was down low in the bottom and couldn't see me get to the top, and he sure did because he quit gobbling. Just had to take a risk. It is what it is. Heard another turkey on down, so I'm gonna go to him. Alright, 7:52, pulled up to a different turkey that was gobbling. Pulled into the parking spot, no truck there, but there's 2 decoys out in the field, so I backed up, heading to another spot. Tell y'all what I'm about to do. I came over to this high point and got the old Bucky's cup. Gonna park it. Gonna park the truck right here on this high point. And do a little listening. About to step out. Big high point right here. I'll show you. Big high point right here. I can hear a lot of ground right here. Alright. Gonna drink some coffee. Listen to some turkeys. Find one. Hopefully I hear one. Make a game plan from there. It's 8:00 a.m. Got plenty of time. Alright, sorry for the sun in my face, but I listened there for just a little while. There's a guy parked on the next parking spot up. That's 4 trucks I've seen this morning. Anyhow, I sat there, drank some coffee. Heck, I went in there 4 minutes, heard a turkey gobble down this way to the next parking spot. So I'm gonna go down here, see if anybody's down here. 8:04. All right, I got this parking lot to myself. I think I just heard the turkey in this block right here. 500 maybe? I might have overshot him. Just gonna see if he gobbles some more. 8:10. Tell you what, I guess this guy's just gonna boy just gonna follow me around. I gave him the parking lot. I left to go after the turkey. Here he is. Following me. Golly Moses, man. I'll tell you what. Always something, man. Alright, that kind gentleman didn't mean any harm. He just realized that I was listening to that turkey, so he went ahead and went on by me. He knew I was pulling off to hunt this turkey. This turkey's in there 600. There's a little spine ridge that goes out here towards the private. I might be able to call him up from there. That's the plan. Probably throw just a single hen out. All right, I'm backed up to the line. Turkey's over here on private. Let's see if I can call him over. This turkey is way on out there. But he's answering me. Really the only play I got right now. It's 8:56. 8:56. See if this turkey, he might have a hen, he might lose her and come on to me. It's 9:06. That joker is a daggum. When I tell you he's a country mile, that means he's like a mile and a half away. Well, he is in fact 2 country miles now. It's 9:21. Time to get a move on. Try to find a gobbling turkey. It's at somewhat of a workable distance or something I can make a move on. Well, we have switched up the hack game this morning. It's 9:57. As soon as I did that, just past a field, Publix right next to it, big strutter out there. So I am turning around. Sorry for the crazy exposure on the GoPro. I don't know why it does that, but I'm turning around, about to go get on this gobbler. All right, well, met a nice fella. His name's Jordan. I was parking to go in to go after that gobbler, and he said that he had dropped off a buddy there, so his buddy's in there trying to shoot the turkey. So hey, I mean, nothing wrong with that. He told me, at least he told me before I snuck on in there to try to put a move on him. That's part of it. So anyhow, I'm gonna keep driving, see if I can find a different turkey. I've picked my way back in here about a mile, making like a 4-mile loop, working this edge. There's some fresh food plots way back in here, some good ag on down on private, so I'm just trying to slip up on a gobbler. I've got about 2 hours before cutoff. Cut a fresh track. Probably gonna go sit up in that bush. Stick out this old single hen. Do some calling. Alright. Here's what I can see. Got the hen out there about 20. And I can see a long way. I'm about to do some loud calling. Well, that's a wrap for day one as far as the public land goes, unless I can get permission. I'm gonna go try to see if I can get permission on private so I can hunt. Well, little change of plans. I'm heading to Oklahoma.